Let's talk about the GODA Pass. I think this project is quite under the radar for many people, but there are few reasons it caught my attention. The GODA Main Pass is a membership NFT that offers collectors exclusive access to GODA artists and drops. This is not just some random Main Pass project, as it has a really impressive team behind it. For example, names like Pharrell Williams, Cavs, and jimmy.eth and 10 other team members with impressive accolades. These people are top tier in their own field, so there is a high chance this project itself is legit and will be here in the next bull run in few years. The utility of this membership NFT will include whitelist spots for holders. For example, future collections that are over 5,000 will give Main Pass holders 2 whitelist spots. Any collection between 1,500 and 5,000 will give Main Pass holders 1 whitelist spot. Anything less than 1,500 will be treated on a case-by-case basis. It was also hinted that there will be free mints for pass holders in their Discord channel. First drop for the GODA Main Pass holders already happened few weeks ago. It is called Nina's Super Cool World. Main price for this drop was 0.5 Ethereum for each NFT, and I think it sold out in few hours. Later the price went up to 1 Ethereum on the secondary market. As of right now, the price has dropped around 0.5 Ethereum for the Nina's World, as the whole NFT space is not in the euphoria like it was few months ago. This Nina's Super Cool World NFT itself will have utility for holders. You can check more info on their Discord channel. The GODA Pass itself sells for around 7 Ethereum right now, which is about $10,000. I definitely like this project, and if you are into collecting real art and NFTs from huge artists like Cavs, and I think he will onboard many more artists his size, then you should definitely consider checking them out and of course doing your own research before investing, because we are possibly entering a bear market which can be here as long as many months or even years. So always do your own research, because I am not a financial advisor, and thanks for watching.